For exchange rate simply means the price of the country's currency compared to other currencies. So we have the dinars in Libya. The price of the value of dinars compared to dollars, compared to euro, pounds. That is what exchange rate is. Why do we have exchange rate? We have exchange rate because there's international trade. And what is international trade? Trade between countries. So as soon as I need to buy something from other countries, like maybe I need to buy from China, we need to find an agreement, a unique currency to use. So for example, we use the dollars. So using the dollars, we need to compare the value of the dollar. So I don't have dollars, I need to change the dinars to the dollars. So the price of which I'm going to change the dollars to the dinars is the exchange rate. Do we get exchange rate here? Yeah. Do you get it now, please? So the impact of changes in exchange rates. The exchange rate will change by increasing or decreasing. So what happens if the exchange rate increases? Now we're going to take Libya as a country. If the dinars, the value of the dinars fall, that means a fall in exchange rate, which means the value of the country's currency has fallen compared to other currencies. So if the value of the dinars fall, what happens to exports? As soon as the value of dinars falls, more dinars will be needed to buy few dollars. More dinars will be needed to buy few dollars. At that point in time, exporting will be cheaper for foreign customers because exports means you are selling to foreign customers. So we need few dollars to buy more dinars. So that means foreign customers need few amount of money to buy a lot of stores from Libya. Do you get the point here? So as soon as the exchange rate falls, the value of the country's export falls. Then export will increase in that country because it becomes cheaper for customers to buy, foreign customers to buy. So if dinar's value fell, it means whatever we sell from Libya to other countries become cheaper. Do you get it? Yes. So a fall in exchange rate will increase exportation. Do you get a fall in exchange rate here? Yes. So the impact on export is that a fall in exchange rate will increase what we export to other countries. But what happens to imports? Because we need more dinars to buy few dollars. It means when we buy from foreign countries, like when we are importing, the price becomes expensive for us. Imports become expensive, exports become cheaper. That is the impact of the fall in exchange rates. Are you here? Do you get the point here? The fall in exchange rate will make exports to become cheaper, imports to become expensive. Because we need more dinars to buy few dollars. So imports becomes expensive. Do you understand that? Do you understand, please? Yes. Then a rise in exchange rate. Let's assume now the exchange rate, the dinars is having value, is gaining more value than the dollars. So if the exchange rate increases, what happens to export, what happens to import? As soon as the exchange rate increases in a country, the price of export becomes expensive because we need few dinars to buy more dollars. Do you get it? No, we need more dollars to buy few dinars. Do you understand? Because our dinars has added value. So we need just few dinars to buy more dollars. Do you get the point here? So at that point in time, imports becomes expensive or becomes cheaper for us, but export becomes expensive. Do you get it, or I explain again? Yes. As soon as the value of the dinars increases, it means we can do more of imports than exports. We need few dinars to buy more dollars. That is what a rise in exchange rate means. So that means we can buy more from foreign businesses, but we can sell less because foreign customers will see our product as expensive. We buy from foreign businesses, that is importation. And as soon as our dinars has value, it means we can buy more of imports. But foreign customers will not be able to buy from us because the value of the currency is increasing. So exports become expensive, imports become cheaper. That's the difference between a fall in exchange rate and a rise in exchange rate. A fall in exchange rate will increase exportation because the value of the domestic currency is cheap, is less. But importation will become expensive because we cannot buy. We need more dinars to buy few dollars. That means importation will increase, the price will increase. But a rise in the value of the currency will mean that we need few dinars to buy more dollars. At that point in time, importation becomes expensive, importation becomes cheaper, exportation becomes expensive. That's the difference. You get it or not? A fall brings about cheap exportation, expensive importation. A rise brings about cheaper importation, expensive exportation. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
So stop.